getting him? You getting him, Daddy? Is he getting you? What is that? What is that? What is that? Bless you. What you doing? What you doing? Come on, get brother. Go get brother. Oh. Are you getting me, Griffin? Are you getting me? Go get sister. Go get sister. What's she doing? Oh, she getting it. She getting it? You like that binky, huh? Where's she going? Where's she going? Where's she going, buddy? Hi, Dottie. What you doing? What you doing, pretty girl? You want to get that, Griffin? He's so cute. She's such a good girl. Such a good girl. Yes, hi, buddy. Hi. Give that tail. You're pretty cute. You're pretty cute. Oh, careful. Oh, careful. What you doing, little girl? Hello. Oh, here comes brother. He's gonna get ya. He's gonna get ya. Oh, she got you. She got you. Oh, take it over. There she is. Ah, there she is. Go get her, Griffin. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. No, don't eat that. No. Go get Daddy. Gonna get you. I sure hope you guys get adopted together. Brother and sister. Such good buddies, too. Yeah, you get along so well. Yeah, you do. Working on his ninja moves. He's a ninja kitty. Ninja kitty. Ninja kitties. Hello, Angel girl. Hello, Angel girl. What you doing? Huh? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Gonna go see Shay Shay. You gonna go see Shay Shay? Hi, Shay Shay. Hi, Shay Shay. You're such a good girl. What are they doing? I know, pretty girl. I know. Oh, what a good girl. You're such a good girl, Shay Shay. My girl. My good girl. Did you have a good sleep last night? Got kind of cold. Good thing you got that pretty fur coat. Where's that tail I love? There it is. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, you gonna purr for mommy? You gonna purr for mommy? You're a good girl. Yes, you are. You pretty baby. Oh, pretty baby.